Greetings, enthusiasts. Today we're stepping into the enchanting world of the Dwarf Alberta Spruce, a delightful member of the Evergreen family with a history steeped in elegance. Originating from western North America, this compact conifer is celebrated for its classic Christmas tree shape. The Dwarf Alberta Spruce has been a favorite choice for festive holiday decorations and year-round garden charm. This compact conifer boasts a pyramidal shape with dense green needles that maintain their color throughout the year. The symmetrical form and slow growth make the Dwarf Alberta Spruce an excellent choice for small gardens, containers, or as an accent plant. Its versatility and classic appearance contribute to its enduring popularity. To thrive, the Dwarf Alberta Spruce prefers well-draining soil, full sun, and regular watering. Its slow growth rate ensures that it maintains its compact size, making it an ideal option for smaller spaces. The low-maintenance nature of this evergreen adds to its appeal for gardeners seeking a reliable and visually striking plant. For companion planting, consider pairing the Dwarf Alberta Spruce with colorful perennials and other evergreen shrubs. This creates a dynamic and visually appealing landscape, enhancing the overall charm of your garden. Primarily grown for its ornamental value, the Dwarf Alberta Spruce is perfect for adding structure and greening to various garden settings. While not known for its medicinal purposes, its compact size and classic appearance make it a timeless choice for both formal and informal landscapes. Its classic form, slow growth, and adaptability make it a cherished choice among garden enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants. Until next time, may your gardens flourish, and may the Dwarf Alberta Spruce bring timeless beauty to your outdoor spaces. Farewell, and happy gardening.